How to transfer from Kraken to Binance. So you simply have to open up the Binance app or the website and make sure you're logged into your account. Then simply find the section for depositing crypto. So it's usually going to be in your wallet or assets section. Then from there, you then have to choose the exact crypto you're transferring. So this could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any others. And from here, you then have to copy the deposit address and head over to Kraken. Then simply go to the funding or withdraw section. And from here, you then have to choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. So simply pick the same crypto you chose on Binance. And always make sure to select the same network that you chose from Binance. Then paste in the deposit address that you copied from Binance. So always remember, if the networks don't match, you will likely lose your funds. So once you've confirmed the network, you then have to type in the amount you want to transfer, then simply review everything and confirm. So that's how to transfer your crypto from Kraken to Binance. So I really hope this was insightful, and if it was, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.